Welcome. If you're looking to give your Pinterest boards a fresh, eye-catching look, updating the header image is a quick and easy way to make a big impact. Let's walk through the simple steps to change your board's header image on Pinterest, so you can keep your profile looking polished and professional. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're logged in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture or icon. This will take you to your main profile page where all your boards are organized. Now, tap on the Boards tab. Here, you'll see a collection of all the boards you've created, each with its own current cover image. Next, find the board you want to update. Maybe it's a board for home decor, recipes, fashion, or anything else. Just tap on it to open. Once you're inside the board, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap these dots to open a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, select Edit Board. This will open up your board's editing options. Here, you'll find a section for the header image. Look for the edit icon right next to the current header image. It might look like a little pencil or arrow. Tap this icon, and Pinterest will let you choose a new image for your board's header. You can select any image already pinned to your board, or sometimes, depending on the feature's availability. You might be able to upload a new one. Scroll through the options, pick the image that best represents your board, and confirm your choice. Once you've made your selection, tap Done to save your changes. Pinterest will show a quick confirmation to let you know your new header image is in place. And just like that, your board has a brand new look. This process works on both mobile and desktop. But today we focused on the app for its convenience and speed. Updating your board's header image is a fantastic way to keep your Pinterest profile engaging, organized, and visually appealing. So go ahead and refresh your boards whenever inspiration strikes.